Introduction to Common Issues with AWS Amplify DataStore. AWS Amplify DataStore is a scalable and secure data storage solution that enables developers to build offline-enabled mobile and web applications. However, like any other technology, it also has its own set of common issues that developers may encounter. In this tutorial, we will discuss some of the most common issues with AWS Ample. Introduction to AWS Amplify DataStore issues. One of the most common issues with AWS Amplify DataStore is data synchronization conflicts. This occurs when the same data is modified by multiple users or devices, resulting in conflicts that need to be resolved. To resolve this issue, developers can use data conflict resolution strategies such as last writer wins or multi-version concurrency control. Another common issue is data storage limits. AWS Amplify DataStore has storage limits that vary depending on the pricing plan, and exceeding these limits can result in additional costs or data loss. To avoid this issue, developers should monitor their data storage usage and optimize their data storage needs. Security is also a common concern with AWS Amplify DataStore. Developers need to ensure that their data is encrypted and protected from unauthorized access. To address this issue, developers can use AWS IAM roles and policies to control access to their data, as well as enable data encryption at rest and in transit. Best practices for using AWS Amplify DataStore. To avoid common issues with AWS Amplify DataStore, developers should follow best practices such as monitoring data storage usage, optimizing data storage needs, and implementing data conflict resolution strategies. Developers should also ensure that their data is encrypted and protected from unauthorized access. Practical examples of using AWS Amplify DataStore. For example, a mobile app that allows users to create and edit notes may use AWS Amplify DataStore to store the notes. To avoid data synchronization conflicts, the app can use a last writer wins strategy, where the most recent version of the note is saved and any conflicting versions are discarded. To optimize data storage needs, the app can compress and encrypt the notes, reducing the storage size and protecting the data from unauthorized access. Conclusion. In conclusion, AWS Amplify DataStore is a powerful data storage solution that can be used to build offline-enabled mobile and web applications. However, it also has common issues such as data synchronization conflicts, data storage limits, and security concerns. By following best practices, monitoring data storage usage, and implementing data conflict resolution strategies, developers can avoid these issues and ensure a seamless user experience.